Navigating the process of applying for food assistance in New Jersey just became a whole lot simpler. Today, we're breaking down exactly how to apply for the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, or SNAP, commonly known as food stamps, right here in the Garden State, ensuring you get the vital help you need. First things first, eligibility SNAP in New Jersey is for individuals and families who meet certain income and household size guidelines. Generally, your gross monthly income cannot exceed 130% of the federal poverty level for your household size. There are also asset limits, though certain assets like your home and one vehicle usually don't count. Specific rules can vary, so it's always best to check the official SNAP website for the most up-to-date figures for your situation. Now, let's get to applying. The easiest way is online. Head to the official New Jersey Department of Human Services website, look for the SNAP or Food Assistance section. You'll need to create an account. If you don't have one, then you'll proceed to fill out the application. Be prepared to provide detailed information about your household members, all sources of income, and your monthly expenses. Crucial to this process are your supporting documents. You'll likely need proof of identity, like a driver's license or state ID, proof of income, such as pay stubs or unemployment statements, and proof of residency, like utility bills. Once submitted, you may be contacted for an interview, typically via phone, to verify your information. After approval, you'll receive an EBT card, which works like a debit card for purchasing eligible food items at participating stores. Remember, accuracy and honesty are paramount. If you had any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to your local county social services office for assistance. Applying for SNAP is a straightforward process designed to put nutritious food on your table.